Alright, so it's the day before the dyno and Nick's car's running awesome, but we're already having problems with the clutch slipping. And this is a brand new Mantic clutch. It's probably only got 500 Ks on it. It's just an organic clutch, so it's not a cushion button or brass or anything like that, so you just swap that. So solution, we have more second-hand parts. This is an Exceedy brass button clutch and was holding on to more than 300 horsepower back when this was in the blue car. The only reason I upgraded the clutches with those is I figured while I had it apart I may as well put new clutches in it. So there's nothing wrong with this, and definitely adds to the character of Nick's car, throwing more second-hand parts in there. So as usual, we've already run into a problem. If we get the pressure plate and try and line it up here on the flywheel, the holes don't line up. So the problem there is we've got a 4EFT flywheel. We need to take that off, and we need to put a standard 4E flywheel on there, and it'll go straight on. So this is a 5E flywheel. Try and line those holes up. That's not going to fit. That one does. And the reason we can't use this 5E flywheel is the bolt pattern here is different. So here's a perfect one that I prepared earlier that is great for Nick's car. So the bolt pattern there. So we'll go ahead and clean that up, and then we can put clutch plate on there and the pressure plate. Good to go. Well, Nick's still at work and he's not going to like this, so we need to quickly clean this up before he gets here and get it back in the car so he can't see it. He'll have to wait for the video. Now while we've got this out, it's a good idea that we should put some paint on there just to stop it rusting any further. This will stop any further corrosion as well. So our Exceedy flywheel's all done. Now we just need to clean up this. There's no oil on there, but if I just run the sandpaper over the top and clean it up, and then we use some throttle body cleaner just to make sure there's no oil or anything on there. Sweet, that's come out really good. Exceedy. He's not even going to know. I actually did forget to tell you that this nice flywheel didn't fit.
Plus your flywheel anyway.
Yeah, so I just put a standard one back in there.
That's fine.
Hope you don't mind.
It doesn't want to make that much of a difference in power or anything, is it? Like once it's making power, it'll be making power.
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you reckon?
It'll be fine. It's going to be fine.
Yeah, that's talking them. Is it? Yes.
It's taking forever. We need a fatter hose, hey?
Yeah. But the problem is a fatter hose doesn't fit into the side of the gearbox.